Hiya Nutters! I made this little junk journal some time ago. It was made and filled with all kinds of papers. As you can see, pages from magazines and even paper bags. Thing is that I don't like the pages I already made in it. It was in my early stages and I was very much creating with my mind and way less intuitive as I am now. I will not tear it apart because I like the cover so much. I made those from old sheets that I painted by hand and embroidered. But I do feel it should be honored more. I would like to make something that is way more cohesive. A junk journal is such a fun thing to work in because you use stuff that is actually junk. It can be junk mail or flyers or any paper you like. Also, it feels way more easy to work on things that are not expensive. Of course, you can buy paper or canvases to create your art, but I find the fact that it's junk so much more freeing. It was junk already before you started, so everything you do to it is ultimately making it a little bit better. So I started to cover the page with gesso. The beauty of gesso is that the things that are there still keep being around. You don't tear them out, you just cover them with a new layer. I like that thought. You can always start over with everything. It's the same in life. Every morning you can start over and make a new choice of what you are gonna do. I'm thinking of creating a summer course about how to create a junk journal, how to make it, how to make signatures, the art, how to use color, prompts, affirmations, and so on and so on. Nothing fancy, I just want to ignite your spark to start to create this kind of things yourself. Oh, and I probably will make it a free thingie. Would anybody be interested? Just let me know in the comments. I think creating is such a magical thing. It makes you feel better and it's also so much fun to do. It gives you so much benefits for your brain, your mood and your overall life. That's why I started this channel, to show you my journey and teach the things I've learned so far. This is not your normal art channel. I try to show you it's not about what you create, but it's the fact you do create. I show you the fights with my inner critic and I'm still doing it. I would like to encourage you to start to use words to empower your intentions. Use color to reflect your feelings. Use mark making to create some zen, or even use different kinds of brushes just for fun. It's okay to make ugly things and it's okay to make all the mistakes possible. And it's very much okay to create a terrible mess. It's all about the use of art and creativity as a mindful practice and to create a moment of being right here, right now, every single day. Because of this idea, this channel and my art can be beautiful, or it can be weird, or it can be messy, and sometimes even dead ugly. I don't edit my art. I show you what I made that day, and I don't do things over just to show you beautiful results. I show you what I make without a filter. If you like what you see, please follow my channel. And you are always welcome to give me a thumbs up. I wish you a lovely day. Think of how you can change your creation today to do something different than yesterday. Remember, you are unique. And last but not least, please think of everything you are grateful for. I hope you will create something today. A big hug from me and bye-bye for now.